What is real dance music? Have you ever found yourself tapping your feet to lively Irish tunes? If so, you might have encountered real dance music, a vibrant part of Irish culture. So, what exactly is real dance music? This traditional form of Irish music is specifically created to accompany the reel dance, a lively folk dance that holds a special place in Irish heritage. Reel music is known for its fast tempo and driving rhythm, which really gets the dancers moving. Typically, it is composed in 4/4 time, meaning there are 4 beats in each measure. However, it often feels like it is in cut time, giving it a strong pulse with emphasis on the first and third beats. This rhythmic pattern helps dancers maintain a quick and energetic pace. A fun way to remember the beat is by thinking of the rhythm in the word watermelon, which mimics the grouping of notes in the music. Reels are famous for their forward momentum and are usually played at a brisk speed. This makes them some of the most exciting tunes in Irish traditional music. The structure of reel music generally consists of 2 parts, each repeated, following a common format for Irish dance tunes. Most reels follow an AABB format, but some may have unique structures that add variety. The reel dance itself is a social and solo dance performed to this lively music. It features intricate footwork, often done in soft shoes as seen in Irish Stepdance. Dancers can perform the reel individually or in groups, and the quick tempo of the music matches their lively and precise movements. Reel music is deeply woven into Irish culture and is a staple at traditional music sessions and dance events throughout Ireland. For travelers visiting Ireland, experiencing reel dance music live is a fantastic way to connect with Irish heritage. Whether you find yourself at a pub session, a festival, or a dance performance, you will witness the joyful spirit of community and celebration that reel music brings to Irish life. So, next time you hear those lively tunes, you will know just how special reel dance music is in the rich culture of Ireland.